you've been to Windrock before, or you've watched any videos, this is probably what you first think of. Rugged trucks, rugged people, rugged bikes, going up to the top and hitting some of the wildest, most difficult trails on the East Coast. Things like Horseface and then the iconic Red Bull drop. These are the things that most of us think about when it comes to Windrock. I was recently going through Steven's GoPro and I found this little clip, and I asked him, what is that? And he said, oh, that's MR2. I was like, I've never heard of MR2. He said, yeah, it's these XC trails that they have. This little clip that I found, it's pretty wild, and I hope to get some more video of him on these XC trails. Hope you enjoy.